Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from OKX to GCash. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser where you have OKX, then just click on your asset and then click on withdraw. After that, click on the withdrawal section right over here. Choose whichever crypto that you want to withdraw. Let's say for example USDT, and then in the withdrawal section just choose on chain. After that, click on next. And then right over here, you have to paste your address from your GCash for whatever crypto you're sending. And then right over here in the address, you have to choose whatever crypto you're sending. And then choose the correct network according to your address. Because if you will choose a wrong network, the crypto that you are sending will be lost forever. So just keep that in mind. Now once you have chosen your network and address, enter your desired amount, that how much USD are you going to send. And then in the end, just simply see what the network fee is looking like. And then in the end, just simply click on next and your transaction will be completed. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.